In this video, I'll show you how to create and send an invoice on Wise step by step. First, open the Wise app and log in. If you have a business profile, switch to it at the top of the home screen, because full invoicing works best on Wise Business. On the main screen, look for options like Get Paid, Request, or Invoices and tap it. Now let's create the invoice. Tap Create Invoice or New Invoice. Then add your customer's name and email address. After that, fill in the main details. A short description of what you're charging for, the amount, the currency, and if you want, an invoice number and due date so it's easier to track. When the basics are done, Wise will show you a preview of your invoice with a payment button or link. Check the customer details, amount, and currency one more time. If everything looks correct, tap Send Invoice or Share and choose how you want to send it, usually by email or by copying the payment link. Your client receives the invoice with a built-in way to pay you, and you can see its status under Invoices/requests as sent, pending, or paid. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.